All right, so this is my TradingView account interface that I can easily manipulate to do whatever that I want to do, right? And this is my watch list over here. I have DSDY, which is the dollar index, and I have the GU over here, that's GBPUSD. I have EURUSD over here, and I have gold right here. Okay, so now what I want to show you in this video basically is to take you through the beginning of all this process, getting your TradingView account and using it the right way as a complete beginner, even if you have no knowledge about it whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is start from the scratch right away. So I'm going to go to my browser, Google Chrome right here. Once I launch my Google Chrome, I'm going to start with you to search for TradingView right here. Okay, so I'll just hit enter on my keyboard. Then once we are here, I'm just going to click on the first link over here and going to take me to the TradingView platform. So of course, I recommend you create your own account on a platform, okay? Because when you come here and check my own, I have my account over here, which has to do with me, Godsway, right? So yeah, I have my username over there, Godsway MM. Having said that, I'm going to leave a link in the video description that you can quickly use and sign up, with TradingView, right? So let me just take you straight to this part. I'll just come here and expand this. Once I expand this, it will launch the full TradingView interface, whereby it starts with S&P 500. All right, but yes, let's say I don't want an S&P 500, I want a different asset. I can quickly come here and select an asset from here. What if there is no asset of mine over here, right? What happens if there is no asset of mine over here? I can just quickly come here to the search bar and search for whichever asset that I want. Let's assume I want gold, right? So I'm going to search for SAU-USD, that's gold versus US dollar, right? So I can go with the first one or this one or this one. But yes, I prefer the first one. So yeah, the one on under, that's the one I'm going to use. So this is by default the interface of the TradingView that you are going to have. It may not be like my own over here like this. I have to customize my own to suit what I want it to be. You can see I have dark modes around it, and the interface is not quite, it's a little bit of creamy type, right? Yeah, so back to this one, we have the grid over there already, but on my own it's not there. That's because I have to customize it. Now let me just get rid of this because I don't think I need it over here. So I'm just going to remove it. Good, that's the volume 2. I'm going to remove it. Then we have this over here, right? So once I've been able to show you these aspects, I think within the next few minutes I'm going to take you back to my personal TradingView account, whereby I can show you some further things that you need to do. I mean, that's if you have your account created. But if you don't have an account created, yes, this is what you can utilize for now. And if you want to publish some idea on TradingView over here, you need to create an account, right? You need to create an account before you go ahead and do whatever you want to publish, right? So yeah, quickly, I want to also take you through some basic, tools in TradingView and how you can use them and the best way that you can utilize them as well. So let me just go back quickly to my main, this one, TradingView, that's Godsway MM over here. All right, you can see I've placed this over here, and if you go to the default page, there's nothing like that showing over there, right? I had to do that on my own as well. We call this over here like your favorite tools that you use, and how you can do that is basically come here to the tools, okay, and if you see any star appearing against any tool, just click on a star and that will make your tool a favorite one and it will appear on your screen. Okay, so you can see when I hover the mouse pointer over here, you can see they say add to favorite, meaning by clicking on the star it will appear in my favorite. Now look at this, it is the ray icon and it is not part of my favorite. So when I click on this star, it will appear over here. You can see appearing over here, but yes, I don't need it. I'm just showing you on how you can do that. So I'm just going to click it to just deselect it, right? So every tool that you see over here, you can just tap on the star icon against it and it will add it to your favorite. Now right away from that, let me quickly show you one thing. We have the trend line tool over here that you can draw. You can see when I'm moving the mouse, it is following my direction. What if you want to draw a straight line? What if you want to draw a straight line? All that you have to do is just select this and make sure your your finger is on the shift button. So whatever you do, it will just be straight like this. It will not curve. All right. And if you curve it this way, it will just go back. You will see I curve it, but after pressing, just right after pressing shift, it has gone back this way. So let's assume you want to draw a line, all right, from here to here, and you don't want it to be like slanted this way. You want it to be a straight line. Just make sure you hold this and go with your shift. It makes the line perfect one, a straight one. You don't have to struggle. Okay, yeah, that is something very cool I want to show you as well, right? So we have different tools over here that you can use to your advantage. Now let me show you one thing that you might as well want to do. That's if you are a fan of that. So let me go to USD. I've done something over here. You can see I've written something at the top over here. You might be seeing people's TradingView charts. You see some name written on it and some stuff like that. You'll be like, oh, what from this? How did the person do it? Yeah, let me just show you how to do that quickly over here. So I've written patient confidence and consistency, and then my username goes to over here. To do this, we use the anchor test tool, right? So I'm going to go to, let's say, gold, yeah, any of the assets over here. Then I'm going to do that quickly. I'll come to the test option over here. This is for test. So I'm going to go to anchor test. So the anchor test is what you mostly use to write those things. So let's say I want to write something. What do I write now? Okay, so let me just write something. Okay, let me say consistency is king. All right, consistency is king. Let's say that's what I want to write, and probably I think I like the color, so yeah, I'm just going to leave it that way. So yeah, I'm going to put it somewhere here. All right, so what it simply means is that whenever I move my text or whatsoever or my chart, this particular text is going to be where it is. It is not going to move. That's why it is called anchor text. But if you use this particular one, okay, let me just also use it over here. I think I'm going to change the color to this, that gray also. So let's say rating sounds like Godsway This is just for, you know, educational purpose. I'm just showing you something, right? So I'm going to click OK over here. Then I leave it. This, if I move my chart, it's going to be moving because it is not an anchor test. So that is the difference between an anchor test and a regular test on TradingView, right? You can see I'm moving this, it's going, but this particular one over here, it's static, right? I'm just going to delete this since it's not needed. Okay, so now let's come back to the most important tools over here. So this is the line tools column. We have the trend line, the ray, the info line, extended line, and a lot of stuff over here that you can use. Then we have this option over here where we have the Fibonacci retracement tools. We have a lot, and yeah, this is the one I also use, the gun boss. That's the one over here, right? And there's another one I want to show you. This is about the position. Okay, so let's come here. We have the long position and a short position. Yeah, those are the two I mainly use. I don't use the forecast, the bar pattern whatsoever. I use these two. So let's assume I want to check something for the long position. I can just bring this over here and just put it over here. That's if I've analyzed a chart and I want to calculate my risk to reward ratio. I have to do this quickly. So in this way, we have the risk to reward ratio of almost 1:4, because that's 3.8 right there. You can see risk/reward ratio. You can see 3.87. That's almost 4, right? So basically, that is something that you need to know about a TradingView platform right now. So I'm going to leave the link in the video description so that you can quickly go ahead and use it to create an account for yourself. It is not difficult. You only need your Gmail account and you are good to go. And of course, I am using the free version of TradingView currently, so there's no way I'll be able to have access to the replay bar or bar replay to backtest my stuff. That's how come if it comes to backtesting, I use this platform called 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. I'm going to show you right away. When it comes to backtesting, I use this free platform. It's called 𝙍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. I've made a full video on it. You can check it out on my YouTube channel as well. If you are here, you are going to see this particular video, all right? The best free Forex backtesting software with bar replay 2024 update. Yeah, this is a software that I use for backtesting, and it is the one over here. I can use the bar replay tool anytime I want right here. Then I go ahead and play it in a real time like this. I can increase the speed of it if I want, and that is it. It's a free software that I use. I don't actually have any problem with it since I started using it. So you can also go ahead and start using it. It's going to help you a lot, right? So let me just quickly pause that right here because I don't have to do much. Yes, so that's the main reason I don't have a TradingView, premium or whatsoever, because yes, the only thing I need is to just maybe use the backtesting aspect of it. That is the replay, which I basically use another free software to do. Yeah, so that is it, and I hope this is going to be it for this video. One thing, some of you might be asking, how come I have these items over here in my watch list, but when you go to the default platform right here, you have a lot of stuff over here. By my own, you have only these 4 items over here. Like I said, I had to customize everything to suit myself. We call this watch list, right? So we have the watch list over here. You can just go ahead and add symbol to your watch list by tapping here. So let me use my personal TradingView to do that. So you can go to add symbol, and let's assume I want to add a symbol. Let's assume I want to add a US30, right? Let me see if it's going to appear over here. All right, so I'm just going to search for it in all column because I'm currently on Forex only column. This particular asset is not a Forex, a currency pair. So yeah, it's an index. So if I come to index, I'll probably see it over here. Okay, US30, that's the Dow Jones. I can use it at the Black Bull or the capital.com or whatsoever. So let me use this. That's it. You're going to see it over here. Let me close this so that you see. You can see it is being added over here, the Dow Jones. Let me just click on it so that you have a look at it. Good. So it is the one over here right now, Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. Yeah. So guys, that's basically going to be it for this video, and I would actually like, if you have any concern, just leave it in the comment section so that I can check it out for you and give you the best answer or the best reply that I can give you possible. And if the need arises, I make a video to explain whatever you need to know to you, right? So yeah, I'm here for you. Whatever you need, just let me know and I'm going to do right that. My name is Godsway, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more videos. See you.